you have instruments like time of flight and things like that. Yeah. So maybe maybe I can jump to. I think I might get back to this about identification a bit later. So yeah, now I would like to ask you more specific questions. So in paper 1 and in chapter 2, you write about the sesquiterpene lactones, that they show inhibitory effects against inflammatory processes, but the underlying mechanisms are not fully understood. So can you just for me explain what are the typical inflammatory reactions we get in human beings? So what is happening when we get an inflammation? What is the role of these interleukins and?
Yes, there are a lot of pro-inflammatory mediators. There are interleukin and TNF-alpha and all the chemokine and cytokines, but the mechanism is very difficult to understand how this how can the for example, the drugs can may interact with this by inhibition these cytokines or chemosins, and not all the inflammation process are related with the NF-kappa B. Can be other factors to consider, I think.
So I guess so. So the of course the key pharmacophore of these sesquiterpene lactones are this keto group with the double bond next to it. So it has it make Michael addition reactions. You describe that nicely, and so that's. So I would say in general, you it's a bit risky having drugs with that because they have such a broad spectrum potential to react with a lot of proteins, right? But that's why, of course, you study also the cytotoxicity of your products.